our first project that we're going to do. It's a pattern snake. Now we talked a little bit about patterns already, and we will be doing an A-B pattern. Notice my snake. The yellow, red, yellow, red. That's an A-B pattern. A, B, A, B. So let's get started. Everyone should have a piece of paper like this and 2 markers. I'm going to be using yellow and orange. Now let's get started. We're going to start here on the tail, and let's go ahead and color that one in. Now remember, Mrs. Compass wants you to color neatly. We don't use the very tip, we use the side of the marker. So go ahead and color in there, stay in the black lines, and stop at the dotted lines right here. Go ahead and color that one in. Very neatly. Color all in one direction. Just like this. After I color this one in, now it's time to change colors, and let's go to yellow. Or whatever color you're choosing. Once again, don't use the tip, use the side. Lay it down. I outline first. I'm staying in my lines. Dotted line to dotted line. Now since we're doing an A-B pattern, what color are we going to use next? Exactly right. We're going to use our first color again. Let's go ahead and color that one in. Move the paper if you have to. It'll be much easier. And then what will be our next color? That's right, it will be yellow. Remember, stick with the pattern A, B, A, B. So whatever 2 colors you're using, stick with those 2 colors and change each time you're in a new area. Go around the circle. Keep going. And I'll see you here in a second. Okay, hopefully now everybody has finished coloring their snake. Now we're going to add the next part of it. Now remember, we're doing an A-B pattern. So this time we're going to do designs in it. Now, if we're going to do circles, if we do circles in the orange, we'll do circles in all of the orange. If we do squares in the yellow, all the yellow parts will have squares. So why don't we just stick with circles and squares? You may do something different if you would like. So I'm going to do circles and start. Now I want nice, neat circles. Try to keep them all the same size. Like this, and I want more than 4 circles in each part. Okay, done with this yellow section. Now in the yellow, I'm going to do squares. So very neat squares. Try to get them all the same size. Once again, I want more than 4 squares. Square has 4 sides. In this section, what am I going to do? That's right, circles. squares. And circles. Whoops, not very neat there. Okay, and finish your snake. Remember, all your yellow will have the same shape, all of your orange will have the same shape. See you in a bit. We have everything colored and we have all of our patterns in our snake. So our next step is to cut it out. We're going to start on the outside. We're going to take our time and cut on the line. We have to stay on the solid black line. Now the key to cutting out nicely is we move our paper and not our hand with the scissors. So we open up our scissors real wide and we lightly squeeze and we move our paper around. So let's go ahead and cut this out from the outside, staying on our line. Like this. Take your time. Okay, after we cut the snake out like that, whoops, now we're going to cut inside and we're going to stay on this solid line. We are not going to cut on the dotted lines. So we're going to cut here on this solid line. See where my pin's going? That's what we're going to cut on. Take your time. Do not cut on any of the dotted lines. And we will stop right there. So watch. And continue all the way, staying on the solid line. And we are almost done with our project. Pattern snake following an A-B pattern. Our pattern, we used colors and then we used shapes. I can't wait to see what these look like when I get back. When I get back, we'll hang these up in the hall. They'll be real bouncy. See ya. Bye.